Hello guys, I hope you're all okay. It's another project here somewhere in South Wales. I'm just here today to have a look at it. We're nearly completing on this one. It's going to be a high-end HMO, very close to city centre, hospitals, very good location, and you cannot get a better property situated very close to amenities, city centre, and attract professionals. So I just want to take you through this little project so you can see what it looks like, and just a bit of an update really. This is the road. As you can see, the road is a very quiet road. It takes you up to the main road, and then that main road takes you to the city centre, and then this way, absolutely amazing this way. So I'm going to walk you through the property. It's an amazing property. I have a massive vision for this property, and what we're going to do basically, we're going to convert this lounge here, sitting area, into a high-end, immaculate ensuite. This would be the first ensuite on the ground floor, and then we go into the next room, and again it's another sitting room. Exactly the same thing. We're going to convert it into an ensuite, high end. We're targeting doctors, nurses, and managers. Really, very close to the hospital, as I've already said, and very close to the commercial area within the city centre. Again, you can see the garden, the enough garden space, and there's a alleyway there that you could drive through if you want to park at the back garden as well. So this is what we're going to do with the kitchen. So we're going to have this as a kitchen diner. We're going to knock this wall out. This wall, like you can see, we can knock it out. Have this open all the way. We can get rid of this shower here. We could move it somewhere by there, somewhere by here. That's where we're going to move the shower. And then have this as an open plan going from here all the way there. It would be absolutely amazing. It will brighten up, and also we would have French doors here to have that light coming in, and obviously you can see how massive it would look like. This would be a massive kitchen dining area. Have a look at that. It would be absolutely gigantic and amazing really. So okay, so we're gonna go upstairs now. I'll show you what we're gonna do upstairs. So again, we're gonna go that way. Okay, this is the first room on the first floor. Again, you can see how massive this bedroom is. And again, we're going to have a amazing ensuite here. So what we're going to do, basically, we're going to get rid of this door. We're going to move this door somewhere here to have enough room for the actual shower we're hoping to get in here. So you can see a massive room, right? And the other thing we're going to do, basically, be surprising to everyone. We'll have this as sort of it's a bathroom right now. We're going to convert it into an office. So because we now know people would like to work from home, we would have different stations in here. So it would fit in 5 people working in the same place. So we want it to be working friendly as well for the people who likes to work from home. And the second bedroom upstairs, again, ensuite, we're going to do on this one. It would be an amazing good size. It's not one of those small ones as well. It would be a massive room that would accommodate double bed or king size, but whatever you want to use it for. And again, you can see the rear of the property. Okay. And take you to the master bedroom. Again, it's a huge room. You can see there. And again, ensuite whole day long, high end. Absolutely amazing, and I really look forward to this project. It would be an absolutely amazing project. I'm excited, cannot wait to get it going, and really look forward to it. Okay, so let's talk about the refurbishment here now. What we intend to do basically is to get this project done within 8 to 12 weeks from start to finish, and obviously excluding planning. We are currently applying for planning. Hopefully we can get that completed within 6 to 8 weeks as well. So I'm talking about the work. So what we're going to do, we're going to gut out the whole property, get rid of anything we don't need, get it ready for the builders, and then obviously the builders would come in, do what's required. Our estimated cost for this project would be about 35 to 40k. That's our estimated refurbishment cost. This includes labor and materials. We're going to be very tight on budget here, because obviously that's the whole point of doing this stuff. You have to ensure that you got the right people here at a reasonable place, a price you could monitor and control what they're doing. So I'm super excited about this project. I cannot wait to share this project with you. What my plan is to share each and every stage on this project. So if you're interested, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video for more of this to come, because it's very good for you also, so you can learn from it. You can see what are these steps you need to do to get your property refurbished. So if you were to do it as a family let, again, I would explain all that process to you, because I'm hoping that the council would approve it for a high-end HMO. But if not, if it happens to be as a family let, and again, I will go through all the process with you. My plan is to document it, have a little sort of update now and then on how we're getting on with the project and how I'm managing it, what sort of builders I'm gonna be having, and how I can monitor and control the builders to ensure they are doing the right thing and all the rest of stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited. So if you want to see stuff like this, you want to learn about this stuff, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video for more of these videos so you can get the notifications as well, so you can learn. You know, it's all about learning, exchanging knowledge and ideas. So I'm really excited. I'm super excited to actually complete on this project and get the ball rolling. So yeah, I look forward to sharing whatever's coming next. Take care. Bye bye.